Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope this isn't frame. This is an unboxing from that'spapsknife63. The stuff I won in this giveaway the other day. Thank you, Pat, for sending this to me, man, and for having an awesome giveaway. It's really cool. I'm opening it with the knife AJ sent. I won in AJ's contest. Excuse me. Got kind of a cold this morning. It's a Kershaw. Half ton. Very cool, man. Thanks, Pat. This is awesome, man. This is my very first Kershaw knife I've ever had. And it's sharp, too. That is awesome. That is neat. I like the size of it, too. It fits my hand perfect. That's the first Kershaw I've ever had. That is really cool. Really cool. Thanks, Pat. That's nice, man. Really nice. Remington gun oil. That'll come in handy. I gotta clean my guns. Hunting season's over around here. I'll use one every night to clean them. My knives, too. That is awesome. Thank you, man. Thanks, Pat. Swiss tech. That is cool. Screwdriver, straight knife blade, threaded knife blade, lead flashlight, quick disconnect key ring. That is really cool. That is neat. It's very cool. See if I can open it up here. That is cool. It's a wicked little blade there. That is neat. That is neat. Very neat. Sharp blade too. That is cool. Bright little light too. Thank you, Pat. That is awesome, man. That'll get right on my keychain. That is cool. Well, thank you, Pat. That's really awesome, man. Thank you for having an awesome giveaway. This awesome stuff. Like I said, that's my first Kershaw. That's very cool. I like that. That is neat. I know. Well, y'all have a good night. And again, thanks, Pat. This is awesome, man. Alrighty. Let me know what y'all think, guys. Thank you, Pat.